I'm excited to introduce to you a breakthrough addition to the Legend Brands I-Series dehumidifier family, the Dri-Eaz LGR 6000 Li. By far the best performer in its category. This is going to be your new go-to dehu. It's an Xactimate large category dehu, and like all Dri-Eaz products, it's an extremely durable and reliable dehu that will provide tremendous ROI for your business. The 6000 Li is compact and stacks securely with easy lift points. At only 95 pounds, the 6000 rolls upstairs smoothly with its oversized wheels, and its flat top allows you to roll onto the job with an air mover, toolkit, power box on top, just for added convenience. Cord and hose management is also streamlined. Just coil them up and lash together with a strap in the top of the pocket. The 6000's electrical component housing is conveniently located for easy connecting and disconnecting. And one thing I noticed right away is how quiet it is compared to other dehus. The LGR 6000 pulls 100 pints a day at AHAM 80-60, 204 pints a day at saturation, and in low grain conditions, this powerhouse unit really shines and crushes the competition. You'll really notice the difference on the second, third, and fourth days of drying. The 6000 incorporates Dri-Eaz's exclusive EDT Extreme Dew Point technology, which means that its sensor-driven components respond to the ambient conditions and automatically adjust to optimize the dehumidifier's efficiency. It's technology that's already proven highly effective in the 7000 XLI and the Revolution dehumidifiers. The control panel displays inlet and outlet conditions, grain depression, plus maintenance prompts like when to change the filter and clean coils. It's extra fast to get at the pump and coils for maintenance. You just take off 4 easy to access bolts. Watch our maintenance tips video for that information. The QR code on the label makes for fast adding to NextGear Solutions job documentation app. And if you're not yet a NextGear user, scanning the QR code gives you quick access to the 6000's manual for reference, specs, and troubleshooting tips. Now we know that you'll never transport the dehumidifier on its back, but if by accident that does happen, the unit's unique spill-proof pump basin will keep any water left after the final purge cycle from escaping. And one other new thing, the LGR 6000 Li uses a unique 4 Pro dehumidifier filter that's an electrostatic, antimicrobial, and odor-fighting carbon mesh filter all in one. It comes wrapped in plastic to preserve the odor-absorbing carbon, so unwrap the filter before you use. So, there you have it. The Dri-Eaz LGR 6000 Li is the best-in-class performance large category dehumidifier from the best manufacturer that is going to give you the best return on your investment for your business.